My name is Edith Ray from Radiant, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a hemp smoothie. So it's warm here in Vancouver, it's June, and I love drinking smoothies and juices when it gets warm. And one of my favorite plants is hemp seed. And I love hemp because it tastes a little nutty, it has a wonderful taste. You can sprinkle it on salads, on cereals, on yogurt, put it in smoothies. It's very versatile. It is very high in essential fatty acids, and also it's good to fiber, and it is a complete protein source, a very healthy seed. And I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie with it. But before we go to the smoothie, we're going to make a hemp milk, which is very easy to make. If you have seen my other video, how to make almond milk, this is hemp milk that we're going to make, and it's even easier than making almond milk. So what we're going to do, we're going to take 3 cups of water, put it in the blender, and we're going to add to that half a cup of hemp seeds. Put it in the blender, and that's it. For about a minute. And voila, you have your own hemp milk. So simple, and it tastes really good. Yum. So you can use this just as it is, put it in the fridge. It will last you about 3 days in the fridge. And now we're gonna just add to this hemp milk some really wonderful berries and seeds and avocado and some cinnamon and vanilla. So for our smoothie, we're gonna pick some raspberries from my backyard here. And berries in general are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and packed full with antioxidants. The first ingredient we add to our hemp milk is the berries, the raspberries and the strawberries that we picked from the garden. I'm going to add those in. And then we're going to add in a ripe banana. We're just going to take a whole banana. That's very ripe. The next ingredient, we're going to add half an avocado, a nice ripe avocado, half. And then I always like to add some lemon juice. The next ingredient, we're going to put in some flaxseed, and I would say maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of flaxseed for the fiber and the wonderful omega-3 fatty acids. And then we're going to put in some vanilla. My wonderful nephew, Riyad, brought me some real vanilla from Mexico. So we're going to put just 1 little, maybe a teaspoon of vanilla in it. Oh, that smells heavenly. And the last but not least is cinnamon, my favorite spice. And my friend Beth brought me some real cinnamon from Sri Lanka when she was there. And so I add cinnamon to everything, so probably about a teaspoon. And that's it. So here we go. Here's our wonderful summer smoothie. And of course we're gonna try it. And you know, this is a smoothie you can really feel good about. It's full of nutrients, no added sugars, no fillers, no preservatives. It's just wonderful nature in a glass. That is really good.